Ayan, okay na uli yung TV ni Sir, oh. Success. Eto mga idol, meron po tayong gagawin na OLED TV. Ang problema daw nito ayaw magtuloy yung power.
Blinking lights off. Not power on. Not turning on.
So I've noticed I can do this. So I turned it on. I'm trying to off it again. Off. On it again. Off. On it again. Take one more time. And then it shows.
Show.
It'll still turn off.
Like that. It's not continuing.
Yeah. And then there's one problem also that it's been for, I think maybe a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. This one here. But
There's a line or what?
yeah, this line. But I can still watch TV with it.
Before there's no line here.
No, for the last 2 years, there's still that line. Maybe 1.5. I can't remember where or when it happened.
Okay, with that, I try to open. Mga bro, palit. I-on ko siya. Meron siyang puti sa taas. Nag-on naman, ayan. Pero, ayan, nag-off siya. Ito mga boxing, ito yung model number ng LG. Ito yung box ko. So ito yung loob niya. OLED na pala to mga bro. OLED TV. So ito yung power supply, saka ito yung mainboard. Tapos ito yung pinakatikon niya. Alamin natin bakit bumabagsak yung kanyang bumabalik sa standby. So I can have the extension wire, so I can put the plug in.
Let me just think. Where do I have an extension?
May alaga si Sir Ibon. Eto mga bro, bali ginamitan ko siya ng oscilloscope, no, para ma-detect natin yung kanya mga clocking signal. Kasi yun nakikita kong problema nito sa screen. Ito, i-on natin gamit tong remote. Yun, nag-on siya. Tapos suka tayo dito. Ayun, mayroon siyang signal. Nag-off siya. Ibig sabihin yun yung signal. Yan ang iti-try natin i-block kung magsasucess tayo. So lahanap lang ako ng pang-blocking.
A few moments later.
Ito mga bro, nagawa siya mga bro. Ayan no. Kaya lang may lines talaga siya. Ito sabi ni Sir, may line na talaga to. Kaya nag-trip yung kanyang power supply dahil dito sa kanyang panel. Sabi ni Sir, mas okay na to kaysa hindi siya mapanooran. Ayan daw yung line niya, oh. See? Hindi siya namatay. Hindi na siya namatay mga bro. Ito ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako nag-block.
Blocking.
There's a fuse here. And
there's a fuse.
there also here fuse.
Okay.
So there is a safety, no? If
Okay,
there's
okay.
any problem.
Okay.
And this also fuse.
Okay. Okay.
There's so many fuse.
Okay, so there's still additional safety.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Ito mga bro, papakita ko sa inyo. Hindi na siya namatay. Ito yung supply niya sa 12 volts. Namatay yung tester ko. Lobat na eh. Ayan oh. So kanina nagde-trip yung kanyang pag ino-on. So nagdududa na ako sa panel or sa kanyang mainboard. Ito yung mainboard niya. So okay na mga bro. So bali sasara ko lang and then testing natin ulit. Ito pala yung i-blocking ko, no? Mga bro. Diyan. Nag-try ako dito. Diyan sa kabila, sa left side. Wala, hindi mo bra. Dito ako nag-block. Yun, okay na siya. So tingnan nyo lang kung ilang pins to. Pag naka-encounter kayo ng ganitong TV, pwedeng ma-repair, no?
I'll look back, watch notes.
Okay, sir. You plug it.
Hold on.
Nandito pala ako sa BGC, mga bro. Yun. Saan ba yung remote? Ayun, sir.
You can see there's still a little.
The line.
Is this from?
Panel sa screen.
That's the panel.
Yes, sir. Also this white on the top.
Okay.
Malinaw talaga siya, mga bro. Pag OLED, buhay na buhay yung picture niya. So hindi na siya namatay, mga bro, no? May konti lang yan, mga lines.
Okay. So, I think it's something that I have to fix. But how come it's only here? Walang here. Do you know?
What, sir?
Like the line is here, but you have no line
Straight.
over here.
Because the problem is here. We
The
block.
problem in this side.
Yes, sir. We block this side and the right side. If the TV is on the table.
Okay. Let's see what
Yan mga bro, sana nakatulong sa inyo yung video ito at maraming salamat sa panonood and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ganito na lang po. Okay pa. Yun, linaw talaga.